It's a proven fact that brownies extend the life, and if they come in a company of 1 or 2 big flavors, then they are just priceless. Today, we're baking Ottolenghi's fantastic tahini and halva brownies. Start by measuring the ingredients and boiling a kettle of water. Then set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius to preheat. Take a heat-proof bowl and put the butter in it. Break a bar of your favorite dark chocolate into pieces. I use 70% and add it to the butter. Pour some boiled water into a small pot so that it fills the pot an inch high. Insert the bowl with butter and chocolate into the pot and turn the heat on to medium. Let the butter and chocolate slowly melt into a thick, shiny sauce. Instantly, the chocolate releases its aroma and fills the air in the kitchen with magic. Once the chocolate and butter melt, turn off the heat and remove the ball to let it cool to room temperature. Be careful, the ball will be hot. In another mixing bowl, combine the eggs and sugar and whisk them into a pale and fluffy froth with an electric mixer. This may take from 3 to 5 minutes. Now prepare the baking vessel. If you're using a ceramic one, melt some butter and grease the dish. Regular deep baking tray works too. Just line it with parchment paper. Next step is adding the melted chocolate into the eggs. Using a spatula, fold it in gently and don't overwork the mixture, as it will thicken more than we need. Sift the flour, cocoa powder, and salt into the bowl, then fold it into the chocolate mixture. Add halva pieces and again gently fold it in the mix. With a silicone spatula, scrape the mixture into the baking dish and even the surface. Make sure the mixture touches the walls with no air pockets in between. Dollop a few spots of tahini on top and draw any pattern you want. I've decided to make some wild stars, but instead got a messy piece of art. Send the baking dish to the oven for some time between 22 and 25 minutes. Baking time is critical here. If you want to enjoy gooey brownies, keep it short. If you prefer them a bit drier, then keep it in the oven longer. I've kept ours to 23 minutes and they turned out cakey and gooey and perfect to our liking. Brew some coffee or tea, get the family around the table, and enjoy your tahini and halva brownies. All ingredients, measurements, and equipment are listed in the description below, so check them before making this particularly addicting brownies. Thank you for joining us today, and visit us again next week for a gourmet breakfast recipe. Stay well, folks, and see you in the next video.